Well, apparently I was wrong about what kind of DC controller you would want to use with this rotary converter. I thought that it would be the shunt wound motor controller that would control this machine, but apparently it's it needs to be run on a series motor controller because it needs the power to go through the commutator and through the coils that are on the stator walls in there. Actually, I guess the coils are on the top and bottom, and the commutator is got the brushes 90 degrees to the coils in there. And I guess the coils for the slip rings are, I think they're, I don't know if they're connected to the coils that are the commutators connected to, or if they're separate. I think they're separate. There's the DC motor coils in the rotor, and then there's a second set of coils for the slip rings. But I have my golf cart controller set up to run the converter now, so I can show. Let's go ahead and turn it on here. So I got a little potentiometer right here. You control the speed. So I have this blower hooked up to the converter here. Let's plug it in. So now I can turn this all up. Okay, so I can control the DC input, which in turn controls how much AC output I can put in. So I can put more than the rated amount into this motor and this blower, because it's also a brush motor. It's got a brushed universal motor in it, so you can increase voltage and it'll make the speed of this motor go up. And it's not the same for brushless motors. Only universal brush motors will do that. But anyway, this was kind of what I was talking about. You have a way of using battery power to control this machine that'll control voltage on machines like this. Or let's see, I got my weed whacker here. Yeah, I got this weed whacker that I threw together. It's got this Black & Decker. It's got a universal brush motor in it as well. And go ahead and let's see here. So it needs to be a little higher than that. Anyway, it's kind of hard to hold the phone and run this and run that all at the same time. But anyway, so the faster I make this go, the faster I can make these machines go. And the only side effect at that point would be heat. And that's the next step, is to figure out how to control how much heat these things collect when you run them at higher voltages. But anyway, there's an actual example of what I'm kind of trying to put together here.